Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you trendy net blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, nowadays net blouse are in trend. Net is a very delicate fabric that look amazing and gives a very feminine feel. Net blouse is also very popular amongst all age group women in India. Net blouse looks quite elegant and royal. Net blouse also make you look modern and contemporary. In this video, we are showing you some of the best net blouse design for your reference. You can pair it this kind of net blouse with saree and lehengas. Friends, nowadays net blouse with full sleeves are in trend. Friends, these kind of net blouse are quite simple and has net on the shoulder and sleeve part. This kind of net blouse look absolutely stunning. Friends, the another popular net blouse design is keyhole net blouse design. The simplest design of this kind of net blouse has a keyhole neckline with the keyhole neckline. This kind of neck blouse gives a glamorous look. This kind of blouse perfect suitable for wedding and parties. The another main popular net blouse is Kundan work net blouse. The blouse has been adorned with kundans all over the boat-shaped neckline with a short sleeve. This kind of net blouse gives a very pretty and delicate feel. It has a very princess-like feel. You can pair it with this kind of net blouse with chiffon and silk sarees. Net embroidery blouse is a very stylish and high-end looking blouse. The 3/4 sleeves has embroidery which is woven. It is perfect to go for your designer sarees. Friends, the gold shoulder net blouse is very trendy option that can elevate the overall look of your saree. It is stylish cutout design add a touch of modernity to a traditional address. This kind of cold shoulder net blouse can be designed to suit different occasions like wedding and parties. Friends, the balloon sleeve net blouse is a statement piece that can add a touch of drama and elegance to a saree. Whether a simple iced balloon net blouse can transform a saree into a stunning outfit for any kind of occasion. Friends, the high neck net blouse is a timeless and sophisticated option that can enhance the beauty of a saree. The net blouse design cover the neck and extend up to the collarbone, providing a classic and elegant look that complement the sheer and delicate fabric of the saree. The lacework net blouse features delicate lace detailing that add a touch of femininity and grace to the saree. When paired with a saree, the lacework net blouse create a beautiful and timeless look. This kind of blouse perfect for wedding, engagement, festival and other occasion. The Frill net blouse is a fun and playful option that can be add a touch of romance to the saree. This kind of net blouse design feature frill around the neckline, creating a beautiful that complement a saree, delicate and sheer fabric. Friends, the boatneck net blouse perfect size for pattu saree. This kind of boatneck net blouse design for saree look very pretty. This pattern can be embroidery or parry. Net matching the saree can be used at the border or blouse end. It can be full sleeve, half sleeve or sleeveless. The buttons in the net blouse are at the back side as sarees trend to be a little transparent. The boat neck is the few favorite pattern in India. Friends, the Chinese collar net blouse is another popular blouse design in India. There is a small collar on the blouse with lace and piping on the collar borderline. One can add a different type of lace on the collar border and whole neckline for the looking extra good. Chinese collar net blouse design is very pretty and stylish blouse design. Friends, the round neck net blouse are the most frequent wear design by the saree wearing woman. These net design will look good on both tall and as well as short women and can be perfectly combined with a all kind of sarees. The round neck net blouse has been a popular and common choice for all age group women. Friends, saree is one of the very popular outfit in India. It looks stunning. The saree is the most versatile outfit. The saree is made up of different type of fabric, but the net blouse designs is in trend. Net blouse design are a popular trend and they in fact a trendy look. Don't think twice to experiment with your popular net blouse. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.